Hello students, we'll go with the next part of the module 1, that is Laplace transform. So far in the previous videos we have seen the basic problems related to the elementary functions. Now we'll be seeing with the properties. So property number 1 is been stated like, if Laplace transform of f of t is equals to f of s, then Laplace transform of e raised to at into f of t is equals to f of s minus a. Means this property when f of t is multiplied by a exponential function. Okay, so that time we are going to apply for property number 1, which is given by f of s minus a. So if we have to solve the problems with this property, whenever a question comes with a exponential function multiplied by a function, that time we are going to use for property number 1, in which we are going to first solve for f of s. We are going to calculate what is f of s. Once we calculate f of s, how to calculate f of s? As we know that Laplace transform of f of t is f of s. So we are having here f of t. If you compare, it will be f of t. You need to compute for f of s. Once we compute for f of s, shift the signal by s minus a. Means where all s is there, replace s by s minus a. It is the coefficient of t is your a. Okay, so this is about the first property, how to solve the problems. So the first problem we'll see. Find the Laplace transform of e raised to 3t into cos 2t. So if you see, it is a product of two functions in which one is exponential function and one is a trigonometric function. Means it is in the form of e raised to at into f of t. E raised to at into f of t. So I will be adopting for property number 1. Comparing, first we have to calculate what is f of s. So comparing, write for what is f of t. Leaving e raised to 3t, everything is your f of t. So f of t is cos 2t. Hence f of s, we know that by definition it is Laplace transform of f of t. So what is f of t? It is cos 2t. Hence Laplace transform of cos 2t, as we know, Laplace transform of cos at. Laplace transform of cos at is equals to s upon a square plus a square. So in place of a it is 2, so it will become s upon s square plus 2 square. Therefore we will get f of s as s upon s square plus 4. This is not your final answer because our question is Laplace transform of e raised to 3t into cos 2t. I have got f of s only of cos 2t. So to apply, here we are going to apply for the first property. Laplace transform of cos 3t into cos 2t will be equivalent to, take whatever f of s you have got and write under the subscript of the bracket as s varying from, that is s shifted from s minus 3. Means signal shifted by s minus 3, because our property holds good as f of s minus a. So what is your a? A is the coefficient of t in e to the power of. So it will become s minus 3. Where all s is there, change with s minus 3. So that will be the Laplace transform of e raised to 3t into cos 2t. Thank you.